Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix no sound in Linux Mint. So basically what you'll need to do is first of all upgrade your BIOS version. If you have the latest BIOS version, then you'll need to check Linux Mint desktop. So basically go to the desktop, right click it on the system panel sound icon and make sure you unmute output, and then select sound preferences and then go to the hardware or output, as you can see, output devices, and make sure you select proper HD audio controller analog stereo output. So right here, what you'll need to do is select the right port and then make sure it is set to 100%, and you don't need to edit all these settings, just two of those. And make sure to click on this green icon to confirm it. And that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.